Hey everybody, this is a review of what we did on 8/27/2020. Now, this is both for 6th grade and 8th grade. I teach both grades, and today you're both working on the same activity. Now, a quick reminder, both classes, 8th graders and 6th graders, you have a quick write that's due tomorrow. And that, again, is on Google Classroom. We've gone over it thoroughly. If you have any questions, please ask me. Please turn that in through Google Classroom versus emailing it. That would be very helpful to me. Now, today I want to show you, and again, this is both for 8th grade and 6th grade today because you're doing the same activity. So I'm just going to click on one of these classes, and I'm going to go to classwork, and then I'm going to go to creative design. Now, what I want you to do, please, is using the link below, which is right there, please design the topic from your quick write. So for 8th graders, your quick write was on an event that you felt was important in history. 6th graders had to do with a state you'd like to visit and why. So both of you will be using the same topic that you wrote about, and then when I show you this program, you're going to come in and design that. Now, steps 2 and 3 here talk about how to save it and how to send it back to me. I'm sure most of you already know how to do that, but if you need some help, steps 2 and 3 show you how to do that. I want you to have fun with this. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Remember, if you have any questions or problems or comments, please reach out to me. You can email me. I check that frequently through the day. And I also have office hours from 1:15 to 2 o'clock. I have an open Zoom if you'd like to talk then. Anyways, let's go ahead and click on to Sketchpad. This is a great program for creative thinking. Now, when you originally click on it, you might have a box here that asks you to do one of 3 things. There'll be an X up here. I want you just to X that out. Now, this is a creative program. This is your creation space. So think of this as your blank canvas. And over here are all the tools that you can use. Now, you can use, and I'm just going to show you some of them. If you do the drop down, you can work with a pencil, a pen, a paintbrush. You can do some arrow things. You can do spray paint. You can do a web. The spirograph is cool. All you do is click on the one you want to use. So I like the spray paint one. Now I have spray paint. I can pick a fill. If I just want the color to be the color, it'll do that. If I want it to be in kind of a pattern, I can click one of these. So let's go ahead and try this. And this one looks good. And then I'm just going to come over here and do some spray paint. See how nice that works? Love it. You also have shapes that you can use when you click the drop down. These are all different shapes that you can use. And you can do the same thing here. We can set colors and patterns, and then come back and we'll pick our shape. This burst is pretty neat, and I'm going to do it like that. You have text boxes that you can use with different fonts and different sizes, so you can use all kinds of different fonts in here for different things. You just type hello and it's that font. You can change the color if you want to. There's just so much you can do. You have some clip art you can use. Again, hit the drop down. Oh, let's see, what shall we put on here today? I'm a dog lover. Yesterday was National Dog Day, I think, so let's go with that. I'm going to put that there. There are so many other things that you can do down here. I'm not going to go over everything because I want you to experiment with them and see what you can come up with. So what you're going to do, again, the topic that you're writing about is the topic that you're also going to design about. So if you're in 6th grade and you're writing about going to Tennessee, which is one of my favorite states, you got to think about Tennessee and what you could design here. They are known for the Smoky Mountains. So you might come in and draw some mountains in, up here. And then you might go to the paintbrush, change the color a little bit. Maybe at night they're kind of a grayish color. And you're going to color those in with the paintbrush. All right. You might put in some sunsets and stuff like that. 8th grade, it depends on what you pick. If you pick like an inventor, you might draw some of that person's inventions. If you pick an event like one of the world wars, you would design something with that. After your design is finished, you're going to come over here to the export button and you're going to hit Save JPEG. That should put it in your documents. Then you can go back to Google Classroom and share it with me. All right? If you have questions, please ask. This assignment today is worth 10 points. The 10 points, though, for this one is if you gave it a good try. If you put one little dot up here and say you're done, you won't get your 10 points. But if you give me a good effort and you try to design what goes with your writing topic, you'll get full credit. Please reach out if you ever have questions. And I love this program. I can't wait to see what you come up with.